Okay, so this video is for my theater history class. We are exploring the use of makeup and femininity and performativity through different cultures and time periods. The time period I was given was modern day, and I feel like a really good example of exploring femininity and performativity through makeup is, you know, drag. So Clarissa and Jeremy did a wonderful job. You both did a wonderful job of directing me, putting on drag makeup. I hope you enjoy this little video of me going all out, all RuPaul all over this, you know. And to my professors, if y'all don't give me a good mark for this, I'm gonna come walking up into your dreams all dressed up in blue sparkles. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Yeah. Oh, and we named her Cindy Quill because the lipstick is called Firestarter, and Charmander was just a weird one.
I think I might break it if I sit.
That's what you're supposed to. Start with my eyebrows. Do we don't start with prime?
Yep. No, you gotta put your eyebrows down for prime.
And I just do that with my fingers? Or?
So you're gonna put the glue stick.
Start with the glue stick.
I always wanted to play Hedwig. Hedwig is a character I really would love to play one day.
Yes, booty guru.
I'm a booty guru.
So you're gonna take this.
Just through here?
Yep.
So dark.
That's fine. When you blend it out, it'll be fine.
Oh, it'll blend. Yeah, it'll blend.
It'll blend out. Just a flat brush.
What's the next, boys?
And then you're gonna do the mask.
The what?
The mask right around here.
This is so freaking much.
Yep. Oh, you're gonna be wearing 9 pounds of makeup.
What? This is not gonna go well.
Drag makeup looks crazy
Until it's blended.
until it's done.
Also, I did not nearly put enough to get my eyebrows. The eyebrows are still bright as day, dark as night. Green Lantern's fight. I feel like that this dark brown was a little too dark.
We're putting more makeup on top of this after.
Yeah. You're going clown white.
Oh, he's going clown white.
Am
Oh,
I?
clown white on his clown white for the cut crease. You clown white and then
He's
you.
doing a cut crease.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut crease.
We're gonna find out, girl.
It looks good.
This feels racist. Sure, is that fine? Can I blend this? There we go. Now this looks a little more like my complexion.
Had last semester.
did.
Also his whole body.
You just sack yourself.
Yes.
You have finished your foundation. I guess we're gonna start on eyes. 2. Yeah.
Nope.
Nope.
No, that's
2.
mascara. Yeah.
And you're gonna put that on your top lids.
Yeah. I don't know why I
ruined your clown white. I
That's
apologize.
fine.
don't think you can ruin clown white.
No.
If you want to be a clown, you can.
I'm going.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. How do I fix this? I don't like it.
And then you're gonna do the same on the other eye.
I'm gonna try to make them.
Make them sisters. Not
Sisters.
twins.
You can do it.
I want to be a queen. Oh yeah, this is what I'm using. Booty guru.
You're covering anything that you don't like, and you're finding. And you're gonna cover like this part of your eye.
He's not starting with a matte.
I'm more of a David guy.
What about shadow?
Do you want a matte shadow?
Do we want a matte shadow?
Do you want a matte shadow?
I have matte blue.
Okay.
I have a chocolate hill palette.
Let's do a matte blue.
There's a matte like teal.
You gotta. We'll do the teal.
Oh,
Okay.
Do you have a brush?
We need a fluffy brush.
The fluffer up, boy.
And you're gonna take.
I am a booty guru. So I just go boop.
Yep.
Let's
You're
go.
just gonna cover your whole eye.
Another side.
Yep.
I love being blind.
You need a hell of a lot more color on that.
Yep.
just dip into the pan again.
Seems like I can make a mistake, but okay.
That's fine. We're gonna be Bob Rosses. We're gonna turn mistakes
Into trees.
Yeah.
We're turning mistakes into trees.
Go in with your bright.
That one?
Yes.
I love being blind.
I don't use your other eye to see.
Do you want to do?
No, like I actually can't see on the side.
Yes.
Oh.
Ready? Watch this. Ready? Wait.
Yeah.
Ah. Cool. Now can you do the side,
that
please?
for you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm about to come in with a suggestion to add more glitter.
Hedwig me. I love this.
We'll
This
make
is.
you beautiful.
I'm actually having so much fun right now.
We'll make you
I'm having
beautiful.
2,000 times more fun now that
Okay.
it's not me. You're stunning. Look at Linda Evangelista. actual stage mom.
I missed.
I let my inner stage mom come
I missed. Damn it. I have no depth perception, okay?
Yeah!
Now we can do
I'm a booty guru.
Chloe and Hoey. I love my Chloe and Hoey sister.
yes.
Is this looking properly? I don't know.
Yes, you're Chloe and Hoey.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take.
I have sewing skills. I could be crafty queen.
That's true.
You're not putting a needle in my face.
I should know how he's gonna get it in his eye. Because on the top you have to draw it in your actual watermark.
Yeah.
Bish where? Bish what?
Like
So you know where I had the white?
Yeah.
There.
I don't like that. Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna do your top line.
No, it's okay. You guys can do it.
it's not hard. You just have to pick.
Okay, I will trust you. I will trust you and do it. I will trust you and do
Do
it.
it. Stage makeup. It doesn't have to be.
Paint to the back row.
You're giving me very close with the smoky eye.
Very close?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes!
All the way to the. So from here, all the way to the. You want them to meet on
That
both
was a
sides.
funny look.
Butch Queen, first time up in drag. Does this technically make you my drag daughter?
You're my drag ma and pa.
Give me grandma.
Drag me ma and pa.
Oh, the eye lips.
Yeah.
Beautiful, breezy, beautiful.
Cover girl. Maybe she's warm with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
So you're gonna overdraw your lip.
What does that mean? I don't think I did this right.
We'll see.
Okay.
Look at us.
I'm ready to ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
No, it's gonna look
It
beautiful.
looks great. We've also added a new gift.
It is going to look beautiful.
Okay, Bryce, you're not looking at us. Bryce asks how it is and then doesn't look at us.
I know it looks like a clown,
It's gonna be
but
great.
it will look great once you fill it in.
I'm ready to hang out with my talking french fries.
Okay.
Oh, we're Kylie Jenner.
Yeah.
One's cherry red,
That's the
one's rouge, one's fire star.
I bought them to match.
I'm more of a Bulbasaur fan myself. Fire star is cool.
more of a. Okay, that's not the face look that I was going for.
Give yourself.
My name is Farquaad. I am your Farquaad. Come in here and fix it. Come here. Come here.
Okay, what are we
Come here and fix it.
We could do. No, we're trying to figure out the middle part because that's also gonna.
Do it. Do it.
I think you know what we could do.
If that would be that one.
So much fun to be had right now.
Okay.
Holy cow!
Okay.
I've been in this chair for an hour and a half, girl. Let's do this.
Okay, open your mouth a normal person amount.
2 fingers. So far. That's the sound you want to hear while somebody's drawing on your face. Oh fuck.
Why are the lips so cartoony?
Why are you moving your mouth?
I spoke without moving my mouth.
That's not true.
It's a talent that I have.
It moved.
I can talk without moving my mouth.
Move.
Look, it's not moving right now. It's not moving.
We should have made him put a shot glass on his mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, you do it. What?
Nothing.
You say I look like a clown? Because I do.
I was saying we need to talk a bit more around.
Why did we do giant lips?
It looks good from far away,
Okay.
which is what, when you're performing, it looks like you have.
Right, because you move your mouth to lip sync.
I know you think this looks crazy, but it looks amazing.
Amazing, I love it.
Last step,
Oh. Lashes?
lashes.
Might be the hardest step.
Okay. We got a goot, and we got a goot, and we're gonna go boop, boop.
We just won't use it on the building.
Who said that it was a bad idea?
Let's not say this while we're on camera, because we could get in a lot of
Mom, Dad, don't fight.
What?
Ooh,
Yeah,
I'm
wanna
waving
get
it, I'm
tacky a
waving
little?
it.
I just want Lori for quads watching me do it.
I don't think her name's Laura Farquaad. I think
Lourdes Farquaad?
no, I like the fire starter thing.
Yeah.
There's Charmander, there's Cyndaquil.
Can I borrow
Cindy
that?
Quill.
That's-
Quill.
Cindy
yes.
Quill. Cindy Quill, the fire starter.
Yes, I'm into it.
This looks better when I'm farther away from the camera.
We've been telling you.
And this is gonna femme up the whole look.
Drink pop.
Drag Papa.
Drink papa.
I like it when you call me Drag Pop.
Okay. I'm gonna just like handle your head. I'm so sorry. Okay, don't open your eye.
You can't tell me what to do. I'm a strong, independent woman.
Put her in drag makeup one time.
When you're drag daughter is hotter than you.
Stop roasting me like this.
Okay. Actually, my least favorite. I always fuck up and end up with the next one.
God, look, he took his own initiative. Oh, my daughter's growing up so fast. They grow up right before your eyes. I have a baby blanket for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I done?
Miss Cindy Quill.
Do I just spray?
Yeah.
I feel like what's her name from Orange is the New Black?
Oh, Morella?
No, the one.
Maritza?
No, her name is like her actual name is Rose or something like that.
Oh, Ruby Rose.
Ruby Rose. Yeah, I feel like Ruby Rose.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're very like.
I see Maritza.
I was thinking very like Cheetah Rivera in Chicago, like the Velma Kelly.
Oh, the older one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
This is fun.
This looks so good.
This was fun. Groovy. I think we're done at 2 hours and 4 minutes.
Woo!
Get in here, team. Get in here. Get in here. Get in the shot. Get in the shot. Get in the shot.
Jeremy.
Bye.